Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Occiam True Wireless Earbuds. These have noise cancellation. They're under $50 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. They have a voice assistant, noise cancellation. It's compatible with both Android and iOS. Sweatproof, and it has hi-fi sound. Comes with different ear tips. It has a Type-C charging, which is really cool because most earbud cases don't charge from USB Type-C. Specs on here: Bluetooth range is up to 30 feet. Standby time is 80 hours. Talk playback time is 6 hours. Yeah, that's pretty much it. They do sound really good, especially for bass. I am a bass lover. So right here you have the user manual. Shows you how to pair the device. Just like that. And then right here you have a please scrape here. Basically you just get any prize. So here's the device. It has a nice metal build to it. It has a good weight to it as well. It has branding on top. So really nice. And then you have the opening for the case. It is magnetic. As soon as you open it, it will pair, just like AirPods or any other wireless earbuds out there. It has a nice indicator light on the bottom to see how much charge you have on the case. And then you have the earbuds. They glow blue when they're paired, and then the red when they're charging. So here are the earbuds, and then so you just have a Type-C to USB charging cable, and then you have some extra silicone tips, large and small. Now in order to pair these, go into settings, open Bluetooth, tap and hold both earbuds for 5 seconds, and then it will pop up on your device. You could go ahead and connect it. It's also able to do single pairing, so you can use one earbud at a time. And then go ahead and open up your media. And during this process, I'm going to have it left and right on left and right hands. So go ahead and play your music, and you can tap and pause whenever you want. When the left and right, just tap once on either earbud. You can tap twice to previous track on the left earbud, and tap right twice to skip track or video. And then you can just do that on anything. Tap 3 times to increase volume on the right earbud. Tap 3 times on the left earbud to decrease volume. Tap and hold 3 seconds on either earbud to activate voice assistant. What's 2 plus 2? And then it goes and does it. So you can go ahead and put your earbuds in. This is the connectivity. So as you can see, when I close it, it'll disconnect automatically. And when I open up the earbud case, it'll automatically connect, just like AirPods. And now we're going to do a comparison of other earbuds under $50. These are the Mozart TWS-01s, and you can see the size difference. Both are very good in quality. These are probably my best earbuds out of the bunch, except on the case for the Mozart TWS-01s, they're a little bit worse. These are another pair of earbuds. I don't remember the name, but the build quality is kind of cheap. It doesn't sound too good compared to this earbud, and it's smaller. These are the Huawei T10Cs. The build design is kind of like AirPods. It has touch sensitivity and other stuff, so good quality on those as well. So the earbuds themselves are good, and the case, this one is made out of plastic, and it has just a hinge. It doesn't have like a magnetic case like these ones. These ones are made out of metal, so it's premium, and it has indicator lights on the inside, so it's really good, and it has magnetic. It's very strong. This one, you have a plastic build with a latch with a button, so that one's kind of cool, unique. Right here, the Huawei T10Cs, plastic build again, but magnetic, and it has pretty good feature as well. Wireless charging and that. Overall, these earbuds are really good. They're very superior compared to other earbuds under $50. You get a nice metal case. I wish it was a little bit smaller, but then again, you have a case that is 800 milliamps, which would last 30 plus hours. I haven't killed these batteries on the earbuds themselves. I've used it for 7 hours and they're about 40%. So really good battery on these as well. So I guess you're paying a price, but link is in the description to buy these. Be that cool person that subscribes and likes the video. It only takes 5 seconds to do so and helps me out a lot. Thank you guys for watching.